Welcome to our project, Espacio. Espacio is a project that is built with VueJS, an Arduino, and a NodeJS server. To explain a little bit the layout, we have our client side at the right of the screen. In the center, we have our Arduino console. And at the far left, we have our live stream of our Arduino. Also at the left, we have our server that right now is mocking data. We're going to explain that further on the video. At the bottom, we have our MongoDB database that stores everything that comes from our Arduino. And to explain a little bit the Arduino, we have a distance sensor with a yellow LED that represents that there is something in front of it. Also, we have a second distance sensor with a yellow LED, also representing there is something in front of it. And we have green and red LED to indicate that there is and there isn't space in a parking lot. So our project is representing how many spaces are in parking lots using Google Maps. And it's basically telling you if you can go to a place and park in certain parking lots. You can easily see through all the whole map where there is more chance that when you arrive, there is going to be a space for you. So to start, we're going to go to our Google Maps. Also, there is another button that represents that if you don't have enabled GPS or your browser blocks GPS by default, you can enter your location by typing in your address. So if we go right now to a place, let's say Humber College, okay, we can see that right now there is 3 parking lots in our area. One doesn't have any space. We represent no space with a gray marker. One is actually increasing and decreasing, and as the beginning of this video, I said there was mock data going on every 3 seconds, and just basically going up and down to represent that a parking lot has or not, or has space or less space. Also target 0, and we can see that grays out. And at the left, we have our Arduino that has an ID, and it's hitting that particular marker. So if we're going to represent a car with a book, we're going to pass the book in front of our Arduino, and we're going to see if it goes from the left to the right. It means that a car has come into the parking lot, and we decrease the number of spaces. If another car comes in, we can see that the marker is grayed out. And in the physical world, we actually represent that as a red light, meaning that there is no more space. So if we now do it the opposite way, that means a car has gone out of the parking lot, we can see that our marker has increased in 1. And in the physical world, we have our green light. That means that there is some space available inside the parking lot. We also added some features as details of the parking lot. Tells you the price, how many spaces there available, and the live feed is telling you like the average between certain times, and that gives you a sense of an idea of how busy is that parking lot at that time. If we just hit go to this place, we use Google's API to actually trace the line that starts where you are until your destination, that the parking lot that you have selected. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Hope you liked our project, and have a great day.